Bitcoin Cash could see a 2.3% decrease by tomorrow, according to digital coin price. Let's take a moment to review the latest chart dynamics. At this hour, Bitcoin Cash is down 0.6% over the last 24 hours and holding near $194.40. Let's transition to the analyst section. Digital coin price sees the price heading toward $190.03 by June 25, about 2.3% beneath today's level. Bitcoin Cash might move up to $195.79, according to CoinCodex. That's roughly 0.7% up. CoinDataFlow points out it could lift to $197.66, roughly 1.6% above now. Another estimate from CoinPrice Forecast shows Bitcoin Cash may move up to $199, a rise close to 2.3%. And to end, Crypto Predictions projects $206.56 by June 25 with a projected rise of 6.2%. This one offers the strongest profit potential. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a drop of 2.3% and a gain of 6.2%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Crypto Predictions offers the top projected return with 6.2% gain in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could earn between $7 and $62 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy, at 96.4%. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. Consensus expectation place Bitcoin Cash roughly 1.7% above where it stands now. Here's the breakdown. The consensus snapshot shows a 1.7% gain in price. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 1.7%. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $17. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 94.2%. Before diving deeper, let's take a look at the 3-day projections. The view from digital coin price is that price action will be muted. For the days ahead, CoinCodex signals further gains. For this horizon, additionally, CoinDataFlow sees Bitcoin Cash heading higher. The direction outlined by CoinPrice Forecast also points toward further gains. Also, Crypto Predictions highlights a bullish outlook for Bitcoin Cash. The consensus brings analyst forecasts together and points to Bitcoin Cash moving higher over the next 3 days. At the end of the day, 100% of analysts see Bitcoin Cash with the potential to climb. Looking across the forecasts, 100% suggest Bitcoin Cash will trade higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. In the end, the day's last trade was around $194.70. Most predictions matched the actual trend. Looking strictly at accuracy, Crypto Predictions turned out most accurate. Here comes the breakdown. The candle contained 2 forecasts yesterday. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with 30 rates performing best overall. Let's switch to the summary table. It brings all results into one clear view. Traders Union reported $4.65 accuracy, while forecast probability was 97.4% and ROI minus 1.9%. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Bitcoin Cash and other selected assets. This time Bitcoin Cash isn't first as Shiba Inu posts 2% potential gain. This section includes just 5 cryptocurrencies, and additional forecasts across many assets are already available on my website. We're done here. Subscribe now to see tomorrow's predictions from all analysts. Till next time.